nails feel great.
Toby,
his lips.
Toby.
He's licking his lips.
Toby,
Feeling very uncomfortable. I'm feeling very violated.
Toby.
tell me about your technique. You're doing one side, and now you're gonna do the other. And then, do you do a
All the
pounding?
way down the spine.
Then you do pounding. Are you gonna pound her? Tell me, show us your Swedish massage technique.
Hi, honey.
Show us. Toby, show us your Thai massage technique.
Oh,
Oh. Where did we,
Not before,
Toby, where did we touch you?